I think we've had a new Milwaukee variant spin off of 3 of their lights. Let's take a closer look in a moment. I'm Tim Johnson. You're watching Shop Tool Reviews. This is the brand new Milwaukee 2126, and it's their underbody light kit. Now this is a really cool light, magnetized here on the base, if you can say that's a base. Kind of funky looking on what's the base, what's not. But yeah, I would say that's the base. Really nice magnetic base right there that sticks to just about anything metallic. And when I mean it sticks to it, basically it magnetizes to it very strongly. Strongly, is that a word? Bigly? If bigly's a word, strongly is a word, I promise. Well, don't trust me on that. Anyway, we talked about this light a few months ago when Milwaukee talked about releasing it, but we haven't seen it until just now. We just got it in the shop. So let's do what we always do. Let's dive in a lot closer, take a closer look at each of these features, talk about the runtime, talk about the power, the lumen output, and everything in between. Then we'll actually put it under a vehicle, use it, see what you think about it, see what we think about it, then talk about pricing and warranty. Let's get started. Hey, by the way, if you haven't seen our Christmas gift guide yet, you ought to take a closer look. This light should have been on it, but we didn't know it was coming out. Anyway, take a close look at our Christmas gift guide. We have everything from $8 all the way up to tens of thousands of dollars, if you can afford that. I know I can't. Anyway, check it out. Look what just arrived just in time for Christmas 2021. It's the new Milwaukee 2126, the M12 Underbody Light Kit. Now, we talked about this when they talked about releasing it months ago, I believe in the pipeline event, but it's very exciting to finally see this. Pretty self-explanatory, but let's go ahead and dive into some of these features. So you can see we've got rotations all over the place. First, we have a magnet right here, and so we can put that under a car, on the frame. We can attach it to the lift. Anything that's metallic that a magnet will stick to, that's what we can stick it to. Very strong magnet. We'll show that here in one moment. We have an arm that not only pivots here, but also pivots here. So you get 300 degrees of rotation right there at the base, if we want to call that the base. So we get 300 degrees of rotation there. And then we get 120 degrees of rotation here, or of pivot right here. So when it's under the vehicle, we can pivot that there. And again, we'll show you that here in one moment. And then we also get 300 degrees of rotation here at the light head, as well as 180 degrees of pivot here. So giving us a tremendous amount of flexibility as to where we need to aim that light. Now, let's talk about the lumens. We get 1,200 lumens of TRUEVIEW high definition lighting. What's that mean? Well, it means we're getting a true light effect. It's not blue, it's not yellow. We're getting kind of that true sunlight, daylight light, if you will. And again, on our mode button, we can switch from high to medium to low, and that's going to be 1,200 lumens, 800 lumens, and 600 lumens. Now, if you get that kitted with the XC 4.0 battery, which you can get this as a kit with the battery and the charger, that 4.0 battery is going to power a 1,200 lumen setting for up to 5 hours. And at 800 lumens, so on the medium setting, so if we go to medium, right there on the medium setting, that's going to power that for 8 hours. And then at the low setting, so there's high, there's medium, and there's low, the low setting of 600 lumens, you're going to power that for 15 hours with that 4.0 batteries. So I'd recommend, if you're going to use it all day long, then keep it on that low setting. It's probably going to provide still a tremendous amount of light. But if you have 2 batteries, then by all means throw it on high and swap out the battery through half the day. But you probably aren't going to use 5 hours of light through an 8-hour day. You're probably going to have a lot of those times where you can actually shut the light off. Now right here at the top side of the light, where we use our power button and our mode button, is where we're going to see the battery indicator. So that's going to tell us our charge status, which you can see right now we have a full battery. Both when you turn that on and turn it off, we're going to get the flash of those 4 dots, and of course those are going to drop down as the battery diminishes. Another really cool feature is right here on this arm. This is magnetized, so we can throw a wrench on there, we can throw nuts and bolts, So you can see we can throw a socket on there, bolts, nuts, wrenches, what have you. It's going to hold that and hold that well. So when you're under a vehicle and you're taking that oil pan bolt out, then you can easily stick it right there to the arm of this light and it will hold that. It's a pretty cool feature to have that magnetized arm right there where our light is. Another cool feature of most of your Milwaukee lighting, and this one's included, we get IP54 dust and water resistance, as well as its impact resistant, and even the rubber overmolding and the plastic is chemical resistant as well, or corrosive resistant. So we don't have to worry about getting a little oil or transmission fluid on it. It's going to be able to handle that just fine, or a splash of coolant or a little bit of rain. Not going to hurt this light. It's going to come through just fine. So let's go ahead and use this thing on our lift under a vehicle and see how it does. Perfect timing here for an oil change on this GM SUV. So I'm going to attach that right there to the cross member underneath the motor. Again, I could easily attach it to the arm of my lift if I needed to, but closest proximity is probably going to be right here where I can get to the oil pan bolt, oil pan plug right here, and then I can swivel this over and then get right there to my oil filter as well. So let's go ahead and pull the plug here on this pan. So really cool that I can kind of pivot this wherever I need to. I want to kind of move this out of the way. I don't get oil and everything all over it, but the cool thing is that I can pivot it to here and get some good light right there on the work area. And then again, without having to move the base at all, I can swing this over here and get to my oil filter also. So really cool. Obviously I could move the light if I needed to do that as well. Now another cool feature on this light that we just talked about is this magnetic arm right here. Put my oil pan bolt right there. May want to clean that up first. Put my bolt right there. Put my wrench there if I needed to as well. So kind of a cool place to hold that out of the way, and it's going to hold it very well. So now my oil pan's finished draining. And return the plug, the bolt. Make sure everything's nice and clean, and we can move over here to our oil filter now. Again, I can just kind of swing this out of the way, put it up where I need it. Now I can spin off my oil filter. Now we take our new filter, filled with oil, of course. Clean it up and we're good to go. See that magnet sticks really, really well. Also, the magnet on this arm sticks really well as well, so that is totally vertical right there, holding that wrench, no problem whatsoever. Now, you're not going to put a ton of tools on there, but still under a vehicle like this, doing an oil pan or doing a oil change and just changing the pulling the oil pan bolt out and pulling the filter off, a wrench and a bolt is about the only thing you're going to keep on there. It does perfectly fine. If you're under here doing a big job, you're going to have a service card under here anyway. So really cool idea with that magnet there to be kind of a catch-all for your tools and your different accessories, bolts, nuts, fasteners, things like that. So really cool light here. It works really, really well. So again, I get that full range of motion with this light. Great idea from Milwaukee with the 2126. It's almost like a rover light on a pivoting arm is exactly what it's like. It's a really cool idea. Let's talk about pricing and warranty. As we mentioned in the intro, it looks like Milwaukee took some of the features of at least 3 of their other lights, like the pivoting rover light, the underhood light, and maybe their rocket light, kind of morphed it all together to give us something that we've really yet to be seen in the automotive industry that we know of. And that is kind of this pivoting effect that almost has almost like a drop light effect where you can hang it on something, but at the same time you get that telescoping type of rocket light where it's stationary and stable. And then the magnetizing, the different modes, the different pivoting, the rotations. So anyway, they've taken a lot of great features from the other lights and made this into something that's very, very useful under a vehicle. Now, you don't have to have a lift to make use of this, but that definitely helps because you can stick this to the lift arms, you can stick it to the frame. Again, anything that will accept magnetism. So what's that? Any type of iron or any type of steel consisting of iron, just not stainless steel or aluminum. But anyway, really, really great idea. Love the different modes on it. Plenty of brightness. We get that TRUEVIEW lighting. We love that as well. Pricing on this is $179 for the bare tool. So if you get the 2126-20, which is a bare tool, you're going to pay $179. If you get the kit like we see here, it comes with the 4.0 XC battery, the tool itself, and the charger. You're looking at $259. That's probably a better buy, and especially even if you're already on the M12 platform, then that gives you extra batteries that you already have and a new battery to add to your kit. So that would probably be the better buy at the moment because you're only going up, what, 70, 80 bucks to get that battery and that charger. They should be hitting the shelves now, so check it out for yourself. Again, it's the 2126-21XC if you want the kit. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And if you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And by all means, if you hated our video, give us a thumbs down. But would you let us know in the comments why? Have a great day and keep smiling.